guys, what's up everyone? What's up internet? What's up YouTube? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always, we have our lovely mom over here.
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
Okay guys, if you don't know what to do on this channel, we do anything that got to do cooking, cooking tips, cooking, native food, anything that got to do cooking. If you're into cooking, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe because you get and turn your post notification bell icon. Almost feel like bell icon. It's gonna find drop new content. Yeah, it's help you a lot. Yeah, guys. So yeah, so today.
Introduce yourself.
Oh me, you should know.
Join me.
In case
Welcoming.
In case this channel, I'm just Jeff, but
Jeff in the kitchen.
Yeah. Anyways, let's just get into the video, guys. Today we are going to be doing something called fried rice. Yeah, you guys should know fried rice. It's this pea.
Yeah. This.
Okay. Okay, guys. The ingredients we have pea and fresh pepper.
What about this? Sweet
corn.
Sweet corn.
Corn. We have our cabbage, blended pepper, our seasoning, curry, what's this?
Fried rice spice.
Fried rice spice, and this one too is chicken spice.
For chicken.
Yeah, and then we have our onion, our
spring onion,
and this
green beans,
and coconut oil, and carrots.
Yeah. What's fried rice without?
Then what's fried rice without the rice?
Rice. What's fried rice without chicken?
So guys,
as you can see, we've already washed it, seasoned, and it's about to go to the stove. Yeah. Okay, let's tell them. In this chicken, we wash it very well. We put our grounded ginger and garlic. So as you can see, this is my chicken spice. So I'm going to add to the chicken. Then my onion. So come closer, please. This is the chicken sauce now, so we are going to use the water. See this, I don't want all this onion, all these things in it, so I don't want it. I will be adding water. I'm about cooking the rice, so I'm adding water. So I'm adding my curry powder and the fried rice. Why is this one black like this? Then I'll be adding my signature. As you all know, this is turmeric. So friends, I'm going to put in the rice. This is the cooked rice. The cook it half done. But I like cooking it soft because of my little child. Put it, then you start turning it. Just like that. It's okay.
Alright guys, we are done with the process, everything. As you can see, look at the color, look at how it looks, and then the bigger
oh my
vessel.
god, hey, this weekend is nice.
Okay guys, you know the process. After the preparation comes the testing time.
Testimony time.
I was about to spoil shit. Anyways, there's no wasting time.
Testimony. Please have it. Good. Okay. Good. It's nice. So, guys, you just have to try this. It's really nice. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys. That's it for the video. Yes, it tastes nice. That's why I love fried rice. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell icon so you can get content like this. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Eat healthy, stay healthy,
Live healthy.
Yeah.
Bye.
Peace.